Hello, saw your question in the email. The mean height of women in the country, age 2029, is 63.6. A random sample of 75 women in this age group is selected. What is the probability that the mean height for the sample is greater than 64 inches, assuming the population standard deviation is at 2.62? So you could do this by hand. I like using StatCrunch. So I come and open up StatCrunch, click on Stat Calculators, and open the normal calculator. So they give us the mean of the population's 63.6. To get the standard deviation for a sample, you got to take sigma and divide it by square root of n. So sigma for the population 2.62 divided by square root of 75. That's the sample size. So I use a calculator and I got this 0.302, etc. We want to find the probability mean height for the sample is greater than 64 inches. So you just put the greater than in the 64, click compute, and it gives you the answer you want. Could do it by hand, but StatCrunch is a pretty quick way to do this. Hope that helps.